Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you some WhatsApp new text formatting tricks. So let us jump straight in. The first thing you want to do is jump into WhatsApp, and you can do this on your mobile device. Now the first trick is putting an asterisk before your words or your text, and you will get bold. So you'll see there, and those asterisks become faded, and that is now bold. The next thing is making your text italic. So you're going to start with an underscore, and you're going to go and type your text, and you're going to do another underscore. Now, as you can see, it changes and the underscores become faded out. Now, you will be able to tell that it's working when those symbols become faded out. The next thing you want to use is this squiggly dash, and it'll make a strike through. So here we go. We're going to type out strike through, and we're going to now give it another squiggly line on the end, and it gives you a strike through. The next thing you want to do is use the larger than or greater than sign. You want to also make a space, and you want to go and type out your text, and you are then going to give it a space and send that, and you can see it's a quoted block. The next thing is writing a line of code. Now, if you see, this looks like a backwards inverted comma. You're going to go ahead and type that, and we're going to type out a line of code, and you are going to drop in another one of those. You can see now it's been written as a line of code. The last thing I'm going to show you is within your symbols, you'll see that there are actually bullets here. So you can actually create a couple bullet points, so you can actually just put a couple of them down, and then you can write your text. So you can say point 1, point 2, and you can say point 3. Now you have some bullet points. You can also do this in number form. So if you just go 1, double tap your space bar, you can now put your first option here. So that's point 1, and then you just push the number 2, double tap, and you're going to go point 2, and again 3, double tap, and point 3. Now you have everything in number format. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you in another video. Cheers.